Hi, let's see one of the important keyword, auto increment. Guys, this auto increment means which will automatically increment certain value. Automatically increment certain value, right? So whenever you are going to use this particular keyword along with a column, the respective column is automatically incremented when you are going to insert certain data into the table. Like for example, you are trying to say that SID int followed with you are defining it as auto increment, meaning that if the user is not going to give any value to this particular thing, it will automatically increment its value from the previous value. Basically it is going to increment by +1. For example, previously the value is 5. If the user is not inserting the value of SID for the next row, then it will be automatically incremented by +1, that is sixth row, and the remaining values are going to be inserted. Okay, fine. Let's see with a simple example so that you will get clear idea. For example, I have a table, create table. Table name is, for example, mech, where mid is there, which is of type integer, and I am defining it as auto underscore increment. Means I would like to increment this value every time from the previous value. I don't want to insert from my side. So yum name is like varchar of some 100. Basically guys, here if you are trying to say that anything as auto increment, that should be a primary key. So primary key of mid, I am making the mid as primary key. Yes. If you are going to describe it, make, you are going to get its data, right? So extra thing is available for this one as auto increment. Okay, now if I am going to insert into make, for example I want to pass only m name, so I am going to define it as m name values of, as again make only. Now observe, if you are going to print the value, select star from make, you are going to get the value automatically as 1, right? Means that by default its value is 1 at the initial time, initial time of table creation. Now if I am going to insert once again one more value, like for example as CSC, if I inserted data inserted, if I try to print it, you will get the value 2. Well, that is the advantage of automatic, meaning that which is going to automatically increase from the previous value, right? So if I am going to insert, mm, now I am trying to insert m name comma, sorry, it should be like the schema, right? M id comma m name I want to pass, where mid is 535 comma the value is it. Guys, what I did here, I did it by myself. Now also it is allowed, even it is auto increment, you can able to pass the value, that value is going to be inserted into the table, right? Select star from, now observe 535. Now if I am going to insert the value as like this, for example triple A. Now what is the next value you are going to expect? 536 and triple A. Observe. Yes. So that is what, which is going to take the previous auto increment value and it will increment it by +1. This is the advantage of auto increment.